it's Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me. It's December 1st, and this video will be the first in a series of 25 where I will open each day in December up until Christmas the Advent calendar for the year. So this is our Advent calendar for 2024, and if you purchased it, I hope you love what's inside. If you didn't get it this year and you really enjoy what's inside, make sure you check out next year's. We will be doing it again. I love doing the Advent calendar. I think it's so much fun to open it up with you every evening. So I hope you'll join me. Let's go ahead and jump down to the table and take a look at what day number 1 has in store for us. So here it is. Here is the Advent calendar for 2024 in this nice big Pink and Maine box. We've got our label here on the side. It says Advent calendar, no peeking, open December 1st. Well, that's today, so let's do it. I'm going to have so much fun opening this with you because even though I designed and put together everything that's in this box, it's been a while since we put it together, and I do not know what each day is. I kind of had our team put all of that together, so they numbered everything. Look at the adorable polka dot tissue paper. I gotta save that and use it for something else. So we put everything in the box. All the bags are labeled for you 1 through 25, and we put them in numerical order so that 1 would be on the top. You should be able to easily go down each day and find the number that you need. So let's open what's in bag number 1. Do we need a drum roll? Oh my goodness. All right, I will move my bag to the side, lay that down. So here we have a package of card panels. Let's take them out and take a look at them. I'm just gonna take a second to flip that one over and get them in order. Look at that. Oh, so fun. It looks like the tops of balloons. Here we've got one, looks like candy and candy swirls. We've got some confetti. These look like candies. We've got more confetti or sprinkles, however you want to call them. Look at the cute little hearts going across, little poofy hearts. We've got more bubbles or balloons. And these look like those cake pops. Like fun little colors. And then we're back to the beginning. So you get 8 card panels to create some cards with in day number 1. But that's not all. We also have a coupon, and it's got a special code in there that's just for you. So if you received the Advent calendar, you've got a code on your coupon that will give you $5 off any order of $15 or more. And it's good through the entire month of December. I'm going to hide that code because that's just for you guys special that got the Advent calendar. We appreciate you so much and hope you enjoy your Advent calendar. But that's day number 1, some fun card panels. And I will be doing some videos as we go along and we open up more bags and I'm able to create some cards. We will create some cards with the contents. Thanks so much again for joining me for day 1 of opening our Advent calendar for 2024. I hope you've enjoyed the card panels that are inside and you can't wait to see what day number 2 is. I know I can't wait. So join me tomorrow and we'll open day number 2. Have a wonderful evening, and until tomorrow, keep living the creative life.